Hi friends, we're talking about being thankful. And there's lots of ways to be thankful. So the first story I have is called Give Thanks for Each Day. What could you be thankful for? Giving thanks for each day. Give thanks for each night, for colorful flowers and stars shining bright. Give thanks for new crayons, red, green, and blue. Give thanks for the moments when wishes come true. Give thanks for the train that chugs down the tracks. Give thanks for comfort when mommy comes back. Give thanks for a puzzle, a favorite bear. The thrill when you're lifted way up in the air. A hug, a parade, a bath, a new toy. Who doesn't love a bath with bubbles? The things in our world that fill us with joy. Give thanks for a walk by a lake in a park. Give thanks for the light in our home after dark. Give thanks for snowflakes that fall from above. For getting together with people you love. Give thanks for sweet ice cream. 4 ducks in a row. Give thanks for great stories, which helps you to grow. Give thanks for the ocean. Give thanks for the sand. The sweet, simple pleasures when you're holding hands. Give thanks for I love you, the best words to say. Give thanks for each night. Give thanks for each day. And our other story is called Thankful. Thankful. The waitress is thankful for comfortable shoes. The local reporter for interesting news. The gardener's thankful for every green sprout. These are really pretty gardens in here. The fireman for putting the fire out. The poet is thankful for words that rhyme. The children for morning story time. Do you like to listen to stories? I like to read stories. The artist is thankful for color and light. The clown for her costume, silly and bright. The doctor is thankful when patients get well. The traveler for a cozy hotel. The dancer is thankful she loves the beat that stirs her heart and hips and feet. The chef is thankful for plates licked clean. The tailor for her sewing machine. The queen is thankful for afternoon tea. The beekeeper for the honeybee. The mayor is thankful for every boat. The sailor for his sturdy boat. The birder is thankful for a list of new birds. The pastor is thankful for God's lovely word. The crafter is thankful for glitter and glue. And me, I'm ever so thankful for you. Nice job. What are you thankful, friends? Think about what makes you happy. Enjoy. Bye, friends.